Varshit. I am studying in 6th standard. My school name is Sofras Public School. Today I am going to explain about how to blow the bulb. This is battery holder. Non-spring side is negative. Non-spring side is positive. Spring side is positive. Now we should connect the battery to battery holder. Now we should connect this is resistor, this is LED. We should connect the resistor to battery. Why we use a resistor? We use resistor to reduce the power. We should connect the resistor to negative side of the bulb. We can see that LED is glowing. Thank you.